Hi, I'm Brittany Erickson, Talent Director with FloodGate Medical. Here at FloodGate, we have spent over 20 years successfully uniting great candidates with great companies within the medical device space. So how does someone get the opportunity to be considered for one of these roles? I speak with potential candidates on a daily basis, and one of the most common questions I get is, how can I get my foot in the door? So here are some helpful tips and tricks that will surely help you to make yourself as marketable as possible to hiring managers. Number 1, get outside sales, or what some call B2B selling experience. These roles will help you to learn how to build and retain relationships, take ownership of your territory, and show quantifiable results of your sales efforts. Being able to have verifiable sales success is a key factor on whether a hiring manager will consider someone for an interview. Some of the companies to consider are Enterprise Rent-A-Car, ADP, Paychex, Glazer Wine & Spirits, and Cintas. They have stellar training and a reputation for hiring driven, hardworking sales professionals. Number 2, utilize your network. Do you already know someone who is currently a rep or a sales leader or has been one in the past? Start thinking about who you know within the healthcare field and start conversations with them. They might be able to introduce you directly or even just point you in the right direction. Consider reaching out to current associates or territory managers on LinkedIn. Connect and ask about their position and how they got it. Most people are helpful and willing to provide feedback. Number 3, consider medical sales college. This is a 12-week focused training course on medical sales and can potentially put you on a faster track for hire. You learn about multiple orthopedic specialties from experienced instructors and get hands-on and virtual training. Definitely worth considering if you don't already have some outside sales experience. Number 4, update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Make sure your resume and profile reflect your sales experience and the desire to find a role within medical device sales. Be succinct and detailed. List your awards and achievements in a visible spot, typically towards the top of your resume. Put your status as open to work on LinkedIn, so those who have recruiting accounts will be able to see and filter to find you. And finally, number 5, connect with recruiters who are familiar with the space, like FloodGate. We have established relationships with hiring managers and can give you insight on how to best market yourself for the role. We prepare you for the interview process and walk you through every step of the way. Also, your profile becomes searchable in our system, and we can reach out for applicable opportunities in the future. Medical device sales is such a rewarding career, and we find so much joy in helping people get the opportunity to be considered for these positions. If you're interested in more information, opportunities, or employment resources, please check out our website at www.floodgatemedical.com, and best of luck with your search.